it's Aidette. Today we are doing a very chill, laid-back try-on haul today. As you guys can see, I'm just wearing very light face, just some blush, a little bit of lip gloss. I wanted to film this video because I have been seeing so many people getting pieces from YOINS. It's pretty similar to all the other websites that you guys hear about, where you can get very discounted prices for some really cute pieces. This is the first piece that I'm wearing, and I'll show you guys in a second, but it feels so good. Something that's very important to me is if I'm getting things that are very discounted, I'm gonna be, of course, skeptical. Like, is this good? Is this quality? Is it soft? Is it going to wear nicely? Let me tell you guys, I'm truly shocked. So I went ahead and got all these pieces so you guys wouldn't necessarily have to be disappointed, and I can give you guys the gist and the rundown as to what the tea is on this stuff. And first piece, girl, yup, I know, it's really, really good. So this is just like a green, super soft material. This is kind of like cotton, a cotton mixture, but it feels super nice and light. Like, I could comfortably wear this in the summertime and feel super cute and stylish. It has a halter top, it's backless, it's super sexy, and it's everything. So shut the duck up. Okay, me not even buttoning this right. Oh my gosh. I got this on the website thinking that it was gonna be kind of like a little bit of a cheaper material. Excuse me for thinking so. This dress is giving every type of fairy princess fantasy. If you guys are more like on the goth side, like the e-girl type, this would be super cute if it was paired with like some like super dramatic chunky black boots. That would be such a vibe. I definitely feel like it could be a little bit more cinched in here. Like, I would definitely appreciate if it was more like maybe something a little bit more like this in the waist, but it's still really cute, pretty, it's flowy. I wanted it in white, but she was sold out. And then here is the back. I'm not going to show the bottom part because I didn't clip the bodysuit, but it is a bodysuit under, so. Okay, next little dress. Apparently, I had a thing for green. As you guys can tell, I got a couple things with green, but this dress definitely feels very sturdy, and this is what it looks like on the side. It's all just open caged here on the side, which is super flattering. It is a little bit risque. So it just does that here on both sides. It zips up from the back, so it's a little bit of an easier closure. But this is so cute. I really like the way that it feels. I feel like I could have gotten an extra small. This is a small, but I just like when my pieces are, you know, just very like cinched in like this. It does have some extra material, so if you guys would like to size down, do so at your own caution, but I feel like they're very true to size, so that's the one good thing that I do have to say. In dresses, I mostly get an extra small, but it really just depends. I just feel like I've become a pro at like what's going to fit and what's not. She's cute. This piece is very cute. I don't want to show the nippies because this is a little see-through. So this is what she looks like, and she is very cute. One thing that I do have to say is that I wish that this part right here wasn't so scrunchy. I would have rathered it be like this, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like not so high up, but it's super cute. The color is very pretty. Also, my girls are a little bit bigger. It kind of leaves like a little flap open like this, and this is little booby girl time to shine. This is her. She's cute. She has a little daisy here on the top. Very cutesy. I think that this would be super cute like in a flower field. Yellow also makes you look very tan, so that's a plus. And this is what she looks like from the back. It's a tad bit see-through, but nothing crazy. So for this one, I actually did fold the skirt in because I feel like on me, since I'm like 5'1.5", it looks a little long on me. I mean, this isn't long for everyone. I feel like this is very like a good size for everyone, but I do like mine to be like here, right on my fingertips. I just feel like it looks a lot better on my body shape, and it makes me look taller. So this is the top here. I do have to say, this material, it's very comfy, and it looks very good. It fits really good. I feel like I could have went a size down though. This is kind of like a cottony material, so hopefully it does shrink so it can be a little bit tighter. She's very cute though. I really like her. I'm definitely gonna be wearing her out. So that's what she looks like all around. The material is just like your general fabric, but I feel like it could have been amped up a little bit so it could feel more sturdy and it won't get the little like balls in the washer. I really do like it. I would give this like an 8 out of 10. Look at her. We can't ignore this fit. We cannot ignore this fit. She's an icon, and she is the moment. Like, look how cute. So this is the top I'm covering because this is a little bit see-through. This is also like a cotton material. It's kind of similar to the last black piece, but this one's thicker. So what I meant by like the material could have been better is like this one is a lot thicker than the black one. It's not that big of a deal if you guys wear like nude undergarments. It's not going to be really noticeable. But this O-ring and then the halter top, this is what it looks like in the back, and then this is how short it is. Guys, keep in mind I am 5'1.5", but also I do like to have mine like up here. If you guys are taller, you guys can always bring it down here. Even that would be super cute to have it like very low cut so it could actually, you know, fit you properly. So you guys could even have it like this. That would be super cute as well. I would actually even wear it like that, but mine would have to be scrunched because then it would look like super long on me. Oh my gosh, I'm being dramatic for everything that I try on. Baby fat? So you're telling me we got some baby fat action going on. Look at the cut. I got this in a size small, I believe. I definitely never get my tops in an extra small or else they're not gonna fit, but I love this material. It feels snug. The armholes don't feel tight. It feels good. And it looks like a razorback in the back, kind of. It just fits really good. I like the fact that with the other pieces, since they are two pieces, I can mix and match my white skirt or my black skirt. The choices that they have for like the graphic tees, it's just insane to me. Like what they have, it's so freaking cute. I love. But anything like Diamante and like Y2K, it's so cute. Like I love the little cheetah print. I've seen a lot of Instagram girls definitely wear some pieces that look similar to this, but to this together as a set with the skirt, I'm saying like the mix and match abilities with all of these pieces, A1. And from the back, so here are the fancier little tops. So they do have like these strings from the side, so you can tighten or loosen. I like mine to be cutesy and tight up here. Okay, so these are the little extra strings, but this outfit here too, very cute. It would even look really adorable with the black skirt. This is definitely something that I feel like I would find on like a very expensive website. I like how it's like an orange holographic type vibe, and it has like these chains. It really just has everything to it. It just looks amazing. I convinced myself at this point, like, it's good. So now next up we have this one, but this one is confusing me. So I know that I think I got the top part right. This is like an olive, like two-piece longer set. So the back is super cute. It's all like crisscross and all that stuff. But we have this right here. What is this? What is that? But let me show you guys the length. So the length is pretty long. It goes like up to here. Very cute. It's a very pretty length. The material's not sheer, but it is like very thin. So I'm just wondering like, what's going on here? Very cute. The color is pretty. It really accentuates your curves for sure. It's cute. I just need to figure out how the heck to tie it. I feel like a real life teddy bear in this set. Look at her. She's so cute. So it's like a pink fluffy like biker set, but I feel like the pajamas, I would definitely wear this even out. Like, I don't care. I'll wear this with some sneakers on a day that it's cold. I really like her. She feels like a little cutesy little blanket. So adorable. And then here's the back. Girl. The back though. I also really like that it crisscrosses in the back. It just adds some extra flavor. So this is our last graphic top, but look at how cute. It gives me very like 2000s old school. I believe it says unbothered. You guys can tell me like if you guys can make it out, but I think it says unbothered. And this is what she looks like in the back. I think I made a tiny little mistake. So I got this top in too much of a small size, so I would definitely recommend that you guys get maybe like a size up if you guys know that your girlies are bigger. If it was my size, it would fit very well, but I believe I got a small. I should have gotten a medium or a large even. Okay, but very lastly, can I just say, I got myself a cute little hat. So if you need any like inexpensive accessories, there you go. This is such a weird way to end my video, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like another video like this, testing out to see if these inexpensive sites are good and juicy, then let me know. I'll be more than happy to create more videos like this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.